Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is James Orton and I'm with our ride today. This is a 2023 BMW 230 xDrive Coupe. This is a 2-liter 4-cylinder producing 255 horsepower, 0 to 60 time in just over 5 seconds. And we're going to take you through the gears today. So this is a great vehicle to enter BMW. Prices tested is about $49,000, and this is with the mineral white exterior, beautiful color. I always like white shades because they show the curves of the car. It looks very sporty. It's more visible to other drivers out on the road. So now before taking off here, I am going to move the dynamic driving modes into sport, as well as the shifter into sport.
And it's crazy.